Hello, viewers. Welcome back. March, meaning honey. The amber colored premium honey from the Valley of Kashmir has a very pleasant aroma and flavor. This honey is raw and 100% natural. Nadur. Nadur means lotus stem. Nadur is a good source of dietary fiber and vitamins and have a crunchy and delicate flavor. It's often combined with fish, collard greens, potatoes, spinach, or just by itself as a curry. Pambach. Fresh lotus seeds or lotus nuts are locally known as pambach. Once you open up the first layer and remove the pods, the white nuts are encased in another green covering. The raw nuts are delicious to eat. The fresh variety of seeds held inside a green shell are soft, watery white and sweet to taste. About 20 seeds are generally held on a spongy green bulb. Once exposed to heat and air, the shell of the seed turns hard and black, and the soft white seeds inside dries up and changes its color to yellowish brown. Harsa. Harsa is an age old traditional lamb preparation that is prepared during winters. It's extremely fatty and high on calories, and hence prepared exclusively during the freezing, chilling winters of the region as a way of warming from within. Kashmiri harsa is prized and expensive dish which requires high quality mutton, long hours of preparation along with constant stirring. It's an art in itself. Harsa is rich, indulgent traditional mutton dish of Kashmir flavored with spices, aromatic rice, and crisp fried onion. At the eatery, business hours begin before the first light of dawn and the kitchen closes within the span of few hours. Tulip Bagh. Tulip Bagh is the largest tulip garden in Asia, spread over 30 acres. This terraced garden is built on a slope which has 7 terraces, each with a different variety of flower, especially tulip. With more than 46 varieties and 15 lakh tulips, new flowers are added every year. Apart from tulips, many other species of flowers like hyacinth, daffodils, ranunculus have been added as well. Gondola. Gondola cable car is considered as Asia's one of the longest and highest cable car. It's second longest and second highest cable car in the world. Boon. Chinar tree, known as boon in Kashmiri, is a majestic tree that can be found throughout the landscape of valley, hillsides, and cities. Chinar trees grow as tall as 25 meters with girth exceeding 50 feet in some cases. The shedding of chinar leaves marks the onset of autumn and sets off a process of change in the valley every year, with people wearing woolen and changing their food habits to suit the weather. The name Chinar is derived from a Persian word which can be translated as what a fire. This reflects the orange red autumn color of the chinar. Their leaves will fall from about mid to end November, with new leaves appearing in early April to late April. It's believed that the oldest chinar tree of Asia stands in Chhattargam, Chadora, in the district Badgam of Kashmir. This tree is considered as the largest chinar in the world. Another chinar, which is believed to be one of the largest trees of Kashmir, stands just outside the walled garden of Shalimar Bagh in Srinagar. Wago. A reed mat is an ancient Kashmiri craft of mat making which dates back to the 18th century. It's a 300-year-old craft that involves interweaving reed and rice straws together in a seamless accord to create a piece of flooring which provides warmth in winters and cooling effect in summers. For making wagyu, people collect the special type of grass from Dal Lake. These grasses are dried in the spring and reed is perfectly tied with a small wooden pole in parallel format. This step is followed by entwined of dried grass straws into reed verticals. After a thorough process of plaiting, tightening, and cutting into desired shape, the Kashmiri grass mat is finally ready to be sent and sold in the market. Nunchai the Kahwa. Nunchai is traditional tea from the land of Kashmir. The tea is pink in color and has a distinct taste to it, very different from the tea we usually have. For noon chai, green tea leaves are brewed in baking soda until a thick red brown color extract known as teot is obtained. This may take about 45 minutes to 2 hours. This is then diluted with water, followed by adding milk and salt to it. Kahwa is a fragrant, mild green tea made with whole spices, saffron, almond, and is originally from the Kashmiri cuisine. With every sip of Kashmiri kahwa, one encounters the age old culture of Kashmir, the flavors and texture of this breathtakingly beautiful place coming through is the equally amazing tea. That's all about the unique things of Kashmir.